Okay, so this is my skirt piece I've cut out, and I have all of my pleats that I've marked on it. So I know I got these marks off of the pattern piece, so I knew where to space them out. And I put them on the wrong side, and I like to put them on the right side too, but you don't have to. I just like being able to see it from both sides. So we're gonna take this first pleat mark that's closest to the edge, and we want right sides together, and we're gonna fold that in half so your lines line up. So I'm just gonna get those exactly lined up. And just put a pin in there to keep it together. And then that also helps me see that I'm on my line on both sides. You can see my pin is in the middle of that blue line. So that's where we're gonna sew. Use a regular sewing machine for this step, and I have a 2 stitch length. I want it short and just a regular straight stitch. And I'm going to sew starting at the top of this, going down to the bottom of my line, and you want to make sure you back stitch down there or go all the way down and back up since it's pretty short. You don't need to worry about back stitching at the top because we're going to sew over the top again. So I'm just going to sew straight down this blue line. Okay, so that's step 1. We've now sewn that fabric together right there. And now we're going to open up this, and we want to spread it out flat. So there's the piece I just sewed. You want that to be in the center of what you're opening up. We're gonna lay it out flat like that. If you want, you can press it flat. If you want to take time to do the extra step, but I am just going to baste that now down close, so it's going to be in my seam allowance, and baste it so it keeps that shape. So I'm going to switch to a basting stitch. Okay, and there is our first pleat. So you can see on the front, it's close together at the top, but it opens, it has that space. And on the back, we've got this box that we've created and we've sewn the top shut. So that is our first box pleat. So I'm gonna do that with every set of pleat marks that I took from the pattern on this entire skirt. And there you have it. There's all of the box pleats on this skirt done and sewn together, and then this skirt, when it's sewn together with the back piece, will be the same width as my bodice. So that is how you do a box pleat.